Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got myself another practice hand. So some of you will have saw, I think it was about a month ago. Let me move this light for now. I think it was about a month ago I bought myself a practice hand from AliExpress, and I bought their most expensive one. I think it was about £70, and I love it. It's an absolutely brilliant hand. But I've seen this on Nails with Gigi on her channel. She bought this one. Guys, this hand is £27. So I will leave the link for this below. I said it in my last video. Always use the link that I put below, because there's so many sellers selling all different hands, and a lot of people have ordered a hand, and when it's turned up, it's not what's in the picture. So you've got to be really careful. But I'll leave the link for this hand below, and I'll leave the link for the last video I did on the other practice hand, which is a fantastic hand. So let's have a look at this cheapo peepo. 27 quid. So let's see what we get. I have already had a look. So I'll show you what it comes with, and then we'll have a proper look at it. Right, so first it comes with some little, just some right, I need my light back, don't I? It comes with just some standard, let's have a look actually, I've not even opened these. Yeah, these are just standard. Oh, I don't like them. I don't like these, but you put your own in. Just some standard little tips. Comes with a little pack of them. I'll show you what I use as my fake false nail beds. I'll show you what I use. I've already put them in the hand. So, comes with a stand. Let's have a look at the stand. So it just comes with your little standard suction pad stand. Oh, this looks like it's... Right, let's get it open. I saw this hand and I just thought that looks so good. Even if I just use it for pictures, it looks so good. Look at this, guys. Look at that. How good does that look? Oh my gosh. It looks so good. So this one, they've put makeup on it. Can you see the redness around the knuckles? They've put makeup on it to make it look more realistic. And my gosh, it looks real. It looks so good. 27 quid this, guys. And it is posable, look. It's posable. Right, so from the get-go, you're all probably going to be thinking, why is it so cheap? I think this one is so cheap because of the silicone it's made out of. It is very soft silicone. Compared with the £70 one I bought last week. The one I bought last week, you can file on it. It's such good silicone. Really thick, strong, robust silicone. Whereas this one is very soft and jelly-like. I think that is where the price difference comes from with these hands. The material it's made out of. So yeah, this is very soft silicone, I will tell you that. But my gosh, it looks so good, doesn't it? So let me take, so these are the nail tips I use when I'm using my practice hands, and I'll show you which ones they are. So these are the Glitter Planet Flexi Tips, and they come in, yeah, it comes in 12 sizes, and that's what I use in all my practice hands. And that's what these tips look like. And I always put them in backwards. I always put them in that way. So let's have a look at these wells. They are quite thick. And because it's such soft, squidgy material, you struggle to get these tips out. They actually stay in really well. You get like some sort of suction. And they're quite difficult to get in and out. They do stay put. They won't slide out whilst you're working on them or anything. And they go in. You can see how far that went in. I've not had to cut any off. It does go in quite far. I think my thumb one's a bit big. I might need a smaller one in that. But I am going to work on it this week. See how I feel about it for working on. But for pictures, I think this is going to look fantastic. It looks so good. And this is colour number 3. My lighting's really dark today, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my lighting today. It's really dark. But it's a really nice colour. I think it's going to look fantastic in pictures. Let me put the last set of nails I did in it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So, did any of you remember the little bob hat set that I did? Let's put them in it. I haven't got a thumb. It'll bring you in a bit. I haven't got a thumb to put in it. Let's see what these look like. See what kind of picture they're going to take. I'll take some pictures and I'll flick them up on the screen now whilst I'm swapping them over. Show you what it looks like in pictures. But yeah, these are exactly the same. This set of nails that I did on my red iguana hand. And as you can see, they are exactly the same size tips as my red iguana, because these fit perfectly. They fit like a glove. Look at this. That light's in my way again. Look at this. Don't that look good? It looks so good. I'm so impressed with it. I'm really, really impressed with how it looks. Yeah, this is colour number 3. I think they've got, I want to say 6. Is it 6 colours maybe? I think. Not sure. 5 or 6. This is colour number 3. Yeah, I really like it. And you can pause it. Because I want to start trying to take pictures like this kind of thing. It's so easy to move into place as well. It's going to take me too long to mess about with it, but I kind of want to start taking pictures like this because I just think they look so nice all lined up in a row like this. I want to start trying to take pictures like that. Doesn't it look good? I'm actually really impressed with it. It is very soft and jelly-like. But for £27, I think it's fantastic. I do. For £27, I think that is an absolutely amazing little hand. So, shall I quickly show you the stand? Let me stick my nails back in. And we'll put it on the stand and see what the stand looks like. Right, so as you can see, it's got the ball bit on this one. So, I think we'll put that on there. So the ball just gets pushed in to the stand like that, and then you can tighten it up. So use this suction pad, and I have a what do you call it? You can use a coaster, a bit of glass. I use a resin palette, so you would suction that onto your resin palette or whatever and push it down, and it creates a suction and holds it in place. I like that it's on that ball bit because you can move it where you want it when you're working on it. If you need to twist it to the side, you can twist it wherever you want. Up, down, round. Turn it upside down if you need to. Yeah, this is fantastic. And then if you just tighten that, it will just hold it there in place. I will probably have it just slightly loose so it holds it in place, but I can still move it when I need to. Oh, I'm really, really impressed. £27. I think for someone just starting out, that's just testing the water and doesn't want to spend too much on, you know, the more expensive ones, I think this is fantastic. I really, really like it. Really impressed with it. But yeah, it is very, very soft silicone, so I would be careful with it. Maybe use it for pictures, or just be careful with it. It is very, very soft silicone. That's its only downfall. But it's reflected in the price for £27. I think it's fantastic with all the makeup. It's going to look brilliant in pictures, isn't it? In photos. Yeah, I think 27 quid. It's very impressive, isn't it? I love it. I really do like it. So you'll probably see a lot of this hand in my pictures, especially because it's the same size tips as my red iguana. I'll probably continue to work on my red iguana because the silicone's a lot more robust. And then use this to take my pictures, definitely. I think this is going to look so much nicer in pictures and more realistic. I mean, you can see all the little pores and everything. If they could make this hand, but with a stronger silicone, I think they'll be onto a winner, I do. Because it looks really, really good. It does. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just wanted to show you yet another new friend I've got. I will leave the link below for this exact hand. Yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. I would. Without a doubt, I'd recommend this one. But yeah, anyway, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.